Hi everyone, this is Hope and welcome back to the Web3 Planet. Today I want to talk about next generation crypto project that combines reality TV with a platform where you can manage participants and earn money. And the project is called GETRICH. So as always in this video, we're going to check all the important information about this project, visit the website, and at the end of the video, I will show you how you can give participants gifts or challenges and earn money by just watching this realityverse. So as I mentioned before, today we're talking about GETRICH. GETRICH is the first realityverse ever. And I think this is a really exciting project because realityverse is a really new project in the crypto industry. And actually, I never heard something like this created before. So realityverse is combining reality TV and metaverse. Next we have GETRICH, a new reality show for the modern era. Experience the future of entertainment with realityverse, combining trends, technology, and game mechanisms in one show. So this realityverse is gamified metaverse with reality TV, plus they have loads of different features inside one show. So I think we need to clap development team because they managed to build this wide range different interactions platform that I never saw before. Then we have the interactive reality show where you can manage participants and earn money. So for me, this sounds really exciting because just by watching this reality TV, you can daily earn money. Also, you are becoming the show director as you have the power to lead how the show will continue and how participants should live, and you can also ask participants to do various challenges. And they have a feature for all of this and it's called Watch to Earn. But more about this a little bit later in this video, so don't click off. And last, GETRICH blends gaming and reality TV. So as I said, this project is really gamified. Also, it's a really interactive experience, empowering participants to earn and manage their show experiences. GETRICH merged modern game mechanism with cutting-edge tech, crafting an innovative, immersive experience. Viewers participate, earn rewards by watching, and influence the show outcome throughout interaction with participants. GETRICH reality show designed to be constantly evolving to adapt the audience trends, ensuring lasting freshness and engagement for years to come. So for me, this project looks extremely bullish because they are the first that managed to create the realityverse platform. I also think this concept will definitely be utilized in the future with loads of popular reality TV shows. And I think there is nothing better for the user experience than taking care of your favorite participant and being responsible for their future in the show. Next up, we have the main features of this project. So the first one is interactive RPG game, and this feature lets viewers directly control players. Then we have NFTs, brand store, live show, GER coin, and watch to earn. If we scroll down a little bit more, we see realityverse is a must-try for those seeking a unique and engaging interactive experience. In realityverse, it is exciting to have the power to control another person's life and shape their actions through interactive gameplay. And for me, actually, this sounds like reality TV plus Sims game, because in The Sims, you are also creating how your character lives, what he does, etc. And here is pretty much the same, but in real world with real people. So I think this realityverse niche will become extremely popular, and I guarantee that users will love it, especially with the fact that they also can earn money while just watching. Next, we have GETRICH, mix of reality show, computer game, and rewards. New era of entertainment, influence on the relationship and companionship in real time. So we can see what goes into the show realityverse blender, reality show, competition, challenges, drama, streaming TV, and many more other fun things. If we go further, we see the information about the show. So right now we are the season A with 6 participants and 3 story building. So this show was launched around 2 weeks ago. So this is a brand new project. And I think for this reason, we have only several participants. But I think this project will skyrocket and there will be hundreds of participants and we will be able to see more action. Also, the show is broadcasted 24 hours a day, 7 days a week and recorded by 15 cameras in 4K, as well as several dynamic cameras. So if you want to see what participants are doing, just click on the section camera and you will be able to move throughout all the cameras. The participants have non-stop access to wall terminals and portable tablets, which allows for constant interaction with viewers and the collection of information necessary for gameplay. And actually, there is one more thing that is really worth mentioning. The length of each participant's stay in the show is determined by the audience, who can choose to keep a player on the show as long as they desire. So as I said before, you are like the show director who is responsible for how show will go. Next up, we have game mechanisms. The winners will receive a prize fund that grows every day. The show's players gain fame and popularity. The viewers manage of the show and enforce the rules. Spectacular show do a unique game mechanism. Next one is really a fun one, RPG games. So you can upgrade a player, a group of players, or an entire house. So as I mentioned, it's like a Sims game where you can decide how your character plays looks, what they're eating, and what they're doing. Next up, watch to earn. So finally, we are the most exciting part for users. Exclusive game mechanism that allows you to earn every minute you watch. Start among the first to earn even more. So basically, by just watching this show, you collect NFTs, get premium membership, watch to earn level, viewing series, account level, and even affiliate level for spreading the words and links throughout your family or group of friends so you can all watch and decide how the show must go on. Then we have buy everything in Realityverse. So the main thing is that you can manage players. Then we have premium membership, NFT collection, rescue a member, voting, merch shop, house unlocks, player upgrade, gifts for players, challenges, watch to earn, and donations. So as you can see, we have a really big pack of things what you can do in this Realityverse. But the best part is you can get paid for having fun and watching this reality TV. Then we have all the important information about Season A. So you can read all about this season concept, find all important information about the gameplay, you can check the live updates, see what you can buy participants in the house store, then house upgrades. So again, you can buy different things for the house, then high scores, then top challenges and rules. And right now, let's check more information about the players. Let's click section players. So we see that right now we have 4 players, Iggy, Maggie, Nina, and Miko. And these guys are already playing. So for example, if we click on Maddie, we see that Maddie has 2 strikes. Maddie been on the project 12 days. We can see that Maddie is completing all challenges 100%, and Maddie already earned more than 23,000 tokens. Also, we can see Maddie's wish list. So if we check the cameras, the players are already doing something in this Realityverse. But before even doing anything, I would like to upgrade my profile. You need to press Premium. So we can see that there is 3 plans. So with a free plan, you are getting just main cameras and not that good video resolution. But with Premium Pack, you are getting loads of advantages. So for example, Premium HD costs $5 and Premium 4K costs $15. So you can get either full HD or 4K resolution. You can get access to all the cameras and you can get different watch to earn boost and one-time reward. So let's buy Premium 4K membership. And actually, before starting this video, I already bought some of the tokens just to have some fun in the show. So let's click to buy it with the tokens. Perfect. Now we are subscribed to 4K premium plan. And actually, I'm really excited about this project because I love reality TV and I love all the drama in there and challenges. And the best part is that right now, I will be able to change how the show goes, upgrade my favorite participants, and definitely make some people do the challenges. And I'm mentioning this over and over again, but by just watching this reality TV, you can earn money. And as always, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing. So right now, I want to talk a little bit more about watch to earn, so we can see how many tokens people are getting from watching this show. And if you want to participate, you have to complete several easy tasks. Follow them on Twitter, watch YouTube video with a secret code, and add them on Discord or Telegram. And this is how you are participating in the Watch to Earn program. And as I have a premium pack, I will be getting a really nice boost just for watching this unique reality TV. And I think always with these kind of projects, you need to be early. So right now we are start super early, and we can get best rewards as we the first to join Watch to Earn. So as we have our premium pack, let's go back to the Watch section. And here we can see there is a lot of different buttons letting us to participate. There is a donate button, so we can send right now everyone, for example, 10 coins and write some message. So let's write, "You are awesome." So by this way, we just send 10 coins to every participant. Next, we have Make Gift button. So if we click on it, we will see that you can select your favorite player and give them something. So for example, let's click on Iggy and we can select what we can gift for him. Next, there's a challenge button. So here we can see what kind of challenges they did previously. So for example, you can see time to wake up Miko. You should all grab Miko by her legs and arms and drag his merrily humming a song of your choice into the kitchen. So for this challenge, someone is giving 600 tokens, and for Miko complete this challenge, he has 50 minutes. So guys, overall, I think GETRICH REALITYVERSE project is led to be a big success. Here you can not only watch and earn, but also be the director and decide how the show will go on. So I will leave all the links in the description, and if you have any questions about this project, let me know them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more crypto videos and join my free Telegram group. Thanks for watching, see you on the next video.